Dresses inspiration, just dress. No crochet dresses inspiration. You know, let me just make my outfit. That's still supportive of me throughout this journey. It's pretty much been a lot on me myself. I feel the first question is, why did you choose this design as your dress? Hi, Amazes. Hey, Amazes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever and whatever time you're watching this. Hi, guys. How are you all doing? This is not my first YouTube video, but pretty much it is now because all my YouTube videos, I deleted them all. But I'm hoping this one actually gets more views than ever. So today I'm here to talk about the Azure Bloom dress, of course, the dress that stole the starlight. So everyone saw the finished dress, but no one saw what it took to make it. This is the story behind Azure Bloom, the first Maison de Zee Collection, all out one. Oh my god. It's been so great and nice to actually come up with something, to think of something I actually want to wear to an event, and I didn't find anything in my closet. So I was like, let me just make my outfit. That's the next thing I can do to actually go to the event and be as beautiful as ever. And mind you, one thing I actually first look at when I'm going to an event is what I want to wear, because I actually do care a lot about my outfit than my face. So yeah, that was it. So one question is, why did you choose this design as your dress? The finished look of this dress is not what I wanted, right? But it has already gone to April 2. The event was on tomorrow, and I haven't finished the dress on Friday night. What do you think that would feel like? So I think that where the dress was at that time was actually pretty nice, because that's just halfway of the dress. The dress was very long, like what I was looking at exactly. So why did I choose this design? Pretty much because all I saw online was either short sleeve. If it's not short sleeve, the dress is short to your knees. And I can't wear that. I'm a Muslima and I have choices on dresses. So I'm like, I can't wear all of this. So I decided to just go on, pick my own dress, and make it myself. So the process of making the dress, I went to Walmart to get some yarns. I got two big yarns. In my mind, I knew they were never gonna be enough because the design I was looking at was actually getting, like, it was gonna take a lot of yarn. I knew that, but I still went for it. And after that, I started the process of making the dress. I started with the front panel, and after the front panel, I went on with crocheting the back left panel and the back right panel. After that, I think I went on joining them all together. And after joining them together, I added the sleeves to the dress. I went for white sleeves, yeah. Because when I got to where I wanted to get the yarn, I didn't find a blue sleeve that matches the yarn, so I just went for white sleeves. And after adding the sleeves, I started with the hip shaping, which was right there. I started with the hip shaping, and after the hip shaping, I went into the real deal, which was the chevron maxi stitch. That was the stitch I was using for the dress, and pretty much this was a very beautiful stitch, which I believed if I had finished the dress, the sleeves would have been way more better. Like the chevron stitch would have been way more better than the way it actually looks then. Yeah, so that's about it. Process of the dress. And after finishing the chevron maxi, I added some rhinestones to the dress. And after adding some rhinestones and those little petals, I went on with washing the outfit. Yeah, I washed it, and then I sprayed starch on it, and then after I sprayed starch on it, we had the final look of that outfit. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is the first Maison de Zee Collection Crochet 001, created and generated by Zee herself. Honestly, all I'm gonna say is that I'm grateful to God for bringing me to this point where I get to think and create something that I want. Grateful to God for helping me through, and grateful to my sponsor, which is my mom, for getting me yarn and being so supportive of everything I do. The next people I'm gonna thank is my friends and my other family members. They're like, oh my god, T, you can do this. T, can you? I'm like, yeah, I can. And yeah, I had the opportunity to actually complete a crochet dress. Has this been a dream? Yeah. Without God, without my mom, and without family members, I don't think I would have gone this far to create something this beautiful. And the comment I've gotten on this day I wore this dress has just been ringing in my head how much and how far I've brought myself to this point of life where I even get to think of what I want to wear and just make it myself. It's just so nice. I'm proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to every single person that supported me along the way. Because if not for you guys, I don't think I would get here. Miami Z's, I love you guys. I love Miami Z's. I love everybody. It's so nice. The dress, it's so pretty. So you all get ready. I want to start receiving your orders from online and even through DMs. If you have Maison Snap, you can DM from there. If you have Maison IG, you can DM from there. You can just go straight to the website and DM through the website. Thank you all for being so supportive of me. I love you guys so much. If you're new here, then you don't know that you're Nami Z. But if you are here before, then you know that you are Nami Z. I love you, Nami Z. Bye!